Welcome back sa aking channel. So today's video is going to be a how I grew my brows video. So nakagawa na ako ng ganitong video a while back. It was really old and nag-English pa ako. Pero yun. Anyway, today I thought that I would do an updated version. Actually, I just do the same thing pero a little different. Okay, so anyway, without any further ado, magsimula na tayo. So, ako, ang ginagamit ko talaga na tools when I grew my brows, of course, kailangan mo ng tweezer. Ayan. Yung brand na ginagamit ko is yung Trim. Nabibili mo lang to like sa mga department stores or Watsons. So, ayan. Just a simple pair of tweezers. Then, I also use a pair of scissors. Ito, sabi nila, this is really for the eyebrows. Tapos, meron itong comb on one end, pero tinanggal ko kasi mas madali sa akin kung ito lang gagamitin ko. Next, I use a brow shaver. Now, kung ayaw mo mag-shave ng brows, gusto mo lang tweezers, okay lang, pero ako gumagamit talaga ako ng brow razor as well. And finally, kailangan mo ng mirror para makita mo yung ginagawa mo. Itong akin, meron siyang yung normal lang, tsaka yung parang magnified. So, it's really good kasi makikita mo talaga yung brows mo up close. Okay, so that's literally all you need. Very, very easy to get. Very accessible lang. Nasa mga department stores lang. And now, lalapit na ako para mas makita niyo up close yung aking gagawin. Alright guys, so here I am up close and personal. And ito yung kilay ko guys. As you can see, medyo bushy na siya tignan kasi I really wanted to grow it out for this video. And hindi talaga ako yung type ng tao na like every week or every day nag-groom ng brows. I usually groom my brows like once every 2 weeks. Ganon. Minsan nga mga once every 3 weeks. Alright, so noon, nung beginner pa ako, I usually outline my brows with a brow pencil para alam ko kung hanggang saan ko lang iti-tweeze yung aking brows. I would recommend that you do that, pero since I am quite lazy nowadays and I think okay na rin naman ako, I don't need to outline my brows kasi alam ko na kung hanggang saan lang ipa-pluck yung hair. Pero again, kung baguhan ka pa, I would recommend na i-outline mo muna yung brows mo. Like, you fill them in, and then, yung mga hindi mo na fill in, yun lang yung i-tweeze mo. Pero for me, I usually just tweeze yung nandito, yung talagang nasa labas lang dun sa actual shape ng brow. See? Makikita mo naman kung nasan lang yung mga hindi dapat nandyan. Yun lang yung mga tatanggalin mo. Yung mga weeds. Alright, so I usually start dito sa labas, sa outer area ng aking brows. And medyo masakit talaga to guys. Kahit na masasabi ko na medyo sanay na rin ako sa pag-pluck ng aking buhok sa kilay, naluluha pa rin ako. Tsaka masakit pa rin siya para sa akin. Sabi nila, you can also put like a numbing lotion, numbing spray, or ice before you do this para hindi siya masyadong masakit. Pero I just do it. Other people just use a brow shaver as well dito sa ilalim. Pero feeling ko kasi super kapal ng tubo ng hair, tsaka mabilis lang tumubo yung hair kapag gumagamit lang ako ng brow shaver. So, I prefer to use tweezers. Ayan, as you can see, malaki na yung difference na nagawa niya, diba? Pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Now, we will work on the details right here. Tatanggalin natin yung mga weeds malapit dyan. Alright, so there we go guys. Natapos ko na siyang i-pluck. And I would recommend, by the way, do not over-pluck. As you can see, okay na yung shape na yan for me. And hindi ko na talaga ililinis na maayos dito sa ilalim because if you're too OC, magiging very easy to over-pluck. So, don't do it. And okay lang yan kasi you can clean it up. I mean, you can perfect the shape with an eyebrow pencil anyway. And this shape is really okay for me na Also, I would recommend na when you do your brows, don't do it always na ganito lang, yung nakalapit ka lang sa salamin all the time. Also, take time to look at it from afar. Kasi, iba talaga, it's very easy to overpluck your brows kapag ganito lang yung pagpluck mo. And you need to look at it from afar or have two mirrors, isa sa malapit tsaka isa sa malayo para makikita mo kung ano na yung itsura ng brows mo. Kasi baka kung ganito, akala mo yung makapal pa sila, pero when you look at it from afar, manipis na pala ng sobra-sobra. So that's one of my tips for you as well. Now, after I do yung pinaka-ilalim na part ng aking kilay, I work on my unibrow area. Kasi meron din akong mga hair dito. I don't know if you can see. So, I like to pluck them out as well. I start dito sa ilalim. Then, working my way to the side. By the way, you stop plucking like starting right here. Stop plucking. I-align mo yung tweezers or like a pencil. Mas mabuti kung pencil para mas precise. Like this one, align it from the side of your nose. And dyan ka magsa-stop mag-tweeze. Tadaan! Unibrow free! Right, and then after tweezing, I like to take my brow razor. Tapos yung ginagawa ko is I shave yung pinaka upper part ng brows. Make sure to do this very carefully kasi ayaw mo naman maganyan mo yung pag-shave, diba? So, very carefully lang, ha? Kung baguhan ka pa with this step, it is way better if you outline your brows muna. Pero for me, since I've been doing it for years, alam ko na kung hanggang saan lang yung i-shave. Pwede din naman na i-pluck mo lang yung dito sa upper part. Pero, masakit kasi para sa akin i-pluck. Kaya I just use a razor. Tadam! Bangga! Tadam! So, ngayon guys, we're almost done. What's left to do is just trimming the brows. Now, kung hindi naman masyado mahaba yung brows mo, you don't really have to do this. This is a bit different for me kasi I need to use both hands and I need a separate mirror. So, gagamitin kong mirror is the viewfinder. So, pasensya na if I look this way kasi wala akong mirror dito malapit sa akin. And what I do is I comb the brows upwards like this and then I just trim off the excess. Like so, diba? Tapos I stop dito sa my arch. Make sure to have it at an angle kapag nandito ka sa my arch. And just trim off the excess. Mas mabuti kung paunti-unti lang yung pag-trim mo para hindi naman masobrahan. And then you can check it, like brush it upwards kung meron pang mga sobra. And kung okay na, then okay na. Stop na kasi ayaw mo naman masobrahan. And then, here sa tail naman, I don't really like trim the hair dito sa tail. Pero others like to comb the hair down. Diba dito, comb it up. Tapos dito, they like to comb it down like that. And then, trim off the excess. Pero I don't like to do that because I think that itong mas mahaba na hair dito sa tail really gives me more texture sa aking brows. Kasi konti lang yung buhok ko dito sa tail and this really helps para meron pang buhok yung tail ko. So, just let it be and ganyan. Ito na yung aking finished product sa aking kilay. So, ito yung before natin. And here's the after. So, ngayon guys, I'll just do the other brow off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so natapos ko na both brows and here is how it looks like. So, ayun na nga guys, no? Natapos na natin ang ating brows. And, by the way, one more tip. Yung talagang pinapantay ko lang talaga are yung mga arch sa pinakataas. And this is how I try to make it pantay. So, I get like something like this, a brow razor or anything na medyo may straight edge, pwede din pencil. Tapos, ina-align ko lang yung dalawang arch kung pantay ba sila. And then, kung hindi, sinashave ko siya para maging pantay sila. Yung nasa ilalim, hindi ko na talaga pinapantay except, no, hindi ko talaga pinapantay yung ilalim guys. Yung arch lang talaga. So, yun lang yung aking simple brow grooming routine. Sana nakatulong sa inyo you guys. And kung meron pa kayong ibang requests, like how I fill in my brows, although I show you that in my makeup tutorials, kung gusto nyo siyang mapanood na meron siyang separate video lang talaga, please let me know in the comment section below, or kung meron pa kayong ibang video requests. Sana na-enjoy nyo itong video na ito, and sana nakatulong. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell para i-notify every time I upload a new video, which is every single day! Yes, every day na ako mag-upload for this month of August. And tignan natin kung makakaya ko. And if kaya, then papatuloy natin sa September, October, November, December. Ganun. And by the way, pasensya na yung face ko kasi walang makeup. Kasi nakikilay lang naman tayo sa kailangan, walang makeup. And nagpalit pala akong damit. Hindi ko napansin na meron palang mancha yung ginamit kong damit kanina. Pasensya na. And I believe that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you all, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye-boo! Trouble, trouble, trouble.